So guys, Thomas here, Typhon Rc-Xtreme. Quickie down at the gravel pit this afternoon. Awesome weather, around 21-22 degrees Celsius. A lot of wind. And been 400 years since I took out the ARRMA Tybrid, Hybrid, whatever you want to call it. It's a Typhon 6S with a Kraton EXB chassis, extended hex, blah blah blah. Gonna do a short breakdown at the end. Okay, so that lasted a lot, 4 seconds, and we blew that tire. Normally I drive this car on 4S, so it's a little bit sad, to be honest. And yeah, it was already broken in the rear, the wing mount. So I actually didn't remember it was so powerful. Wonder what that is. It's just in the canyon. Ooh. I wonder why it, you know, I think this is it seems okay. I don't know if it's motor soldering looks good. I don't know why. Well, it's gonna be a hard one to drive. Definitely. Okay. Probably the ESC that cut out. Yeah, definitely. It's an old Max 8. Don't know why I even bothered to buy that at that point. Ooh, boiling hot. Motor. It's also hot. So anyway, I'm gonna drive up to my. Yeah. Right, no, we're gonna. Anyway, short one over here. So. So what's up, guys? Short breakdown. Tybrid, hybrid, whatever you want to call it. It's ARRMA 6S car. From the beginning was the Typhon 6S. Not sure which version. This one had the plastic top caps in the front, shock caps. So I changed those to the metal ones. Extended hex. ARRMA Kraton 6S EXB chassis. Not sure actually what brand those chassis braces are. They might be custom RC upgrade, but I'm actually not sure, they might be GKA. Old Max8, final run with that one, still works, but gonna be a Max6. Extra run 42, 74, 2250 kV. Used to run 4S in this car, but changed to 6S. Savex 1258 TG. Also, this is an old damage snap pad mount. It's an Italian one. I enjoy that low profile one. Thunderous hands, of course. Sledgehammer tires, 2.8, 17mm hex. The car is a monster. Sadly, it didn't work out as I wanted. Maybe this was some kind of issue I had when I last ran it, so I don't know. It's a fun car to drive, hysterical, just need some new electronics and wing mount. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.